I'm a home daycare provider making Christmas lunches for my daycare kids all week, so here's Monday. First I'm going to crack some eggs in a bowl. Oops. I'm dirtying another bowl just so you guys can see what's going on here. My 4 eggs, and then this is diced ham that I got at Walmart. A handful. And a splash of milk. Set that aside. I'm going to cut out some gingerbread boys out of, or gingerbread men, out of these tortillas. Gingerbread tortillas are done. Don't worry, I'm going to use these scraps to make some tortilla chips, so they're not going to go to waste. I'm going to stick them back in this bag for later. Over to my pan. Everybody asks where I got this from. It came with my stove, so yeah. I always use one of these for eggs. Just a little salt and pepper, and then I'm just going to set this on a plate. Just wiping this down a little bit with water. I didn't want to dirty more than one pan for this meal. That's better. Right now I'm adding a little bit of butter, cheese, a little bit of my ham and egg mixture. Topping it with cheese, and then adding another gingerbread on top. As they get done, they're going in the oven on warm, and I'm going to finish them in a little bit here. Now we're gonna make like a little snowman fruit thing for the kiddos.
How many apples?
You need some help? Alright, we're using apples for the hat of the snowman. Alright, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it, and then I'll let you assemble them, okay? Alright, I'm kind of doing some thicker chunks, see? We need 3 of them. The kiddos are all playing dollhouse over here, by the way. I brought all the dollhouse stuff up. We have like an old vintage dollhouse because they're so much better quality than the ones you get nowadays. Alright, so you're going to do the 3 bananas first. Like that. And then we're going to do the apple for the hat. There's a seed on that apple. Apples are kind of hard. Maybe you want me to do the apples on them. Whoa. And then we're going to do a marshmallow at the top of the hat. Yep. And then we're going to do some mini chocolate chips to make like a face and buttons. And then when we lay them down, I'm going to put a little piece of pepper for the nose. So there's a little snowman. And then your little face. And I'm going to go start heating up some carrots. They're turning out cute. I'm actually going to use carrots for the nose. Alright, Brielle's working on these snowmen. I just did some canned carrots. I'm adding a little bit of butter and brown sugar to them. I am cutting up a pepper for the mouth for the gingerbread. There's my little smile for the gingerbreads. I'm dicing up a yellow pepper for like eyes and buttons on the gingerbread. just gonna add the faces on all of them. There's their little lunch today. I have more of everything, and I did give them some little, oh, I forgot marshmallows on that plate. Gotta come back to that one. But there is their little Christmas lunch. And here's how they did. They've done better. One kiddo had another quesadilla. They were pretty good. I had one too.